Welcome back, second graders. Here we are again at Number Corner with Mrs. Judd. My tongue won't work today. Okay, we're going to do calendar, we're going to do class collection, and then I've got a couple worksheets that we're going to work on. Today's a special day. We've been in school a certain amount of days, and we're going to talk about that. But let's get into calendar. I know that today is Wednesday, so let me go ahead and turn over Tuesday. What do you guys think is going to be on Wednesday? Do you think we're going to have another graph or an equation? Equation, good job. Okay, it is. We have another equation. Okay, let's write today's date. So we are January 13th, 2021. And we write it numerically as 1-13-21. And the abbreviation for January is JAN. And then you would write 13. I've never written the whole thing yet for you guys. Okay, before I do today's class collection, I want to talk about if I had to pull yesterday. If I had to pull yesterday, it would have been 12. So I went ahead and I grabbed 12 tiles, and we're going to pretend these are blue and red. But just to take a look at, would we have been able to get half red? And because it is a double stack, 6 plus 6, we would have been able to get half of the tiles would have been red. We can rearrange them in different ways, but it still would have been half blue and half red. Okay, I'm going to leave that up there for a little bit. So now I get to pull for today. And today I'm pulling 13. Let's see how many I've gotten so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I've got too many in my hands right now. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, by looking at that, do we have half red? Let's see. We're not going to be able to have exactly half red because this is an odd number. So, let's really line them up so we can see the difference. Okay, this was as close as we can get to exactly half, but not because it's an odd number. So I am going to put it in the less than half red, but that was kind of a borderline half or not. Okay, so 2, 4, 6 out of the 13 are, oops, I looked at that 6 in my mind, are red. 2, 4, 6, 7 out of 13 are blue. Okay, so 6/13. I like where our chart is going. At the end of the month, we will be talking about this graph. Alrighty, we are done with that part. Now we're going to talk about number lines. So I have a large number line, and I want to talk to you guys about how to add up to 10. So if we take the number 7 and 12, we can notice that there's 10 in between. I can count by ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or I can make the hops and know that there's 3 hops to 10 and 2 hops to 12. So that would get me 3 plus 2 is 5. So we really want to keep trying to, when we see equations, get ourselves to 10 and then add the rest. Let's try that one with 8 and 5. Excuse me. 8 and 15. So it's going to take me 2 hops to get to 10 and another 5 to get to 15. So that would be 7 hops. Okay, I have a worksheet, and let's see if we can do our worksheet. So our worksheet, it says one way to solve subtraction problems is to think about what you need to add to the smaller number to get the larger number. For example, if you're trying to solve 14 minus 8, you can think, oh, okay, if I start at 8, I need 2 more to get to 10, and then it's 4 more, so 14 minus 8 must be 6. And see how they've done it here? They've gone from the 8 to the 10, and that was 2. And then they went 10 to 14, and that was 4. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. Let's try, we're going to walk through the example, and then we'll do A, B, and C. Use the open number line to model the up to 10 strategy, and use your model to help you find the answer. So here they did 15 minus 7. They jumped from that 7 to 10, and that's 3 hops. And 10 to 15 is 5, and that's where they got their 3 plus 5 equals 8. So 7 plus 8 equals 15, or 15 minus 7 equals 8. Okay, let's do it for this one. So we're going to put our 9 here, our 16 here. We know that 10 is there, so it's going to take me 1 hop to get to 10, and then it's going to take me 6 hops to get to 16. So 1 plus 6 equals 7. So 9 plus 7 equals 16. So 16 minus 9 equals 7. Okay, let's try it with that 5 and that 13. Okay, so I know if my 10 is here, it's going to take me 5 to get to 10. It's going to take me 3 to get to 13. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. So 5 plus 8 equals 13. 13 minus 5 will also equal 8. Ooh, my goodness, my fingers and my mind are not coordinated today. Okay, let's try this the last time. We're putting 7 over here. We're putting 12 here. We're going to put that 10. We know that it takes us 3 hops to get to 10. It takes us 2 hops to get to 12. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Or 7 plus 5 equals 12. So 12 minus 7 equals 5. You guys can do this on your own. This is again in your Number Corner student book. You can get number lines or use your, I've seen you guys have measuring tapes, you have hundreds charts, you have paper that you can turn over and just make lines on the back. So you guys have plenty to help you do more of those. So our last project today is, we have passed the 80th day in school, and today is actually the 90th day in school. So I've filled in all of the problems. We're going to actually do the 90th day, but this one is also in your student book. You can do that coloring in also. So let's take care of the 90th day, since today is the 90th day. So 8:15, I'm going to color that square. 8:24, 8:37, 8:35, 8:72, 8:45. What do you guys think this is going to end up being? I have no idea. 8:34, 8:47, 8:36. Does it look like an animal yet? 879, 846. Oh, do you think it might be an initial? It kind of looks like an S already. Okay, 852, 844, 825, 862, 882. I don't think it's an S anymore, you guys. 859, 827, 826. 869 and 889. Maybe it's a table with something on top. And blue, 853, 863, and 864. 865. 858, 54. Do you guys think I'm going to fill in all these other ones? Probably. I agree with you guys. 866, 57, and 56. Yep. So I think this might be a cake on a table. These are the table legs, and that might be the cake. But if you guys see something different, absolutely tell your teacher. What do you think our object might have been? Okay, so today's questions are, did we have exactly half red? No, we did not have exactly half red because this was an odd day. We cannot have exactly half on odd days. So no, we did not get exactly half red. And what day did we celebrate today? We celebrated the 90th day in school. You guys have been working so hard. You've been doing it for 90 days already. Good job, everybody. Okay, second graders, I'll see you on Friday. Bye-bye.